think some of these tidbits are a little silly, but in a former life, when I wore a general contractor's hat, these are some of the things that I got the most calls on. This evening, we're focusing on garbage disposal. There's nothing worse than having a family event, holiday event, party, whatever the case may be, and all of a sudden your garbage disposal craps out on you. No! If this happens, try this simple thing first before you go placing a service call. So when this happens, most likely your culprit is under here. If you crawl under here and look right here, there is a reset button. If you can push it in and it clicks, then that's what the problem was. If that doesn't work, usually on the side of your garbage disposal, you'll have an Allen wrench that came with it. This particular case, can't find it, so I just got the equivalent. Stick it up in the center and then rotate it. This manually rotates the motor inside in case something is stuck. Then try resetting it again, and you should hear a click, and you should be back in business. Oh yeah, beautiful sound. That's all for this segment. Thank you, and God bless.